Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python is installed and pick Anaconda if you want bundled packages. Once done, install Jupyter with pip or conda and navigate to your project folder in a terminal. You want the notebook server to serve files from the right directory, so change into that folder now. Then run the command notebook to launch the server. This opens a browser with the dashboard. Make sure your virtual environment is active if you use one, because kernels come from that environment. You create a new notebook from the dashboard and name it clearly, then add code in the first cell. Press Shift plus Enter to run a cell and move to the next. Use Control plus Enter to run without moving. Once you run imports and definitions, variables persist across cells within the same kernel, so order matters. Execute top to bottom if you change earlier cells. Make incremental changes, run small blocks, and use markdown cells to explain steps. Save frequently, and confirm outputs appear below each. You finish by saving your notebook and shutting down unused kernels to conserve memory. Go to the dashboard and stop them. If state feels wrong, restart the kernel and rerun cells in order so definitions are consistent. When you're done, export to Py or HTML via file right arrow download if you need sharing. If something goes wrong, like a missing package, install it into the active environment and restart the kernel. If the server won't start, change the port or check for conflicting processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.